I didn't sleep well last night.
Oh no, what happened?
I went to bed late because I stayed up watching a movie.
Which movie did you watch?
It was a comedy. It made me laugh, but it kept me awake.
I know that feeling. Sometimes I watch TV shows late too.
Do you watch something every night?
Not every night, maybe 3 or 4 times a week.
What kind of shows do you usually watch?
Mostly dramas or cooking shows. They help me relax.
Cooking shows make me hungry.
Me too. Sometimes I want to eat a snack after watching.
Same here. Yesterday I ate chips at midnight.
That explains why you couldn't sleep.
Yes, maybe that was the problem.
Do you drink coffee in the evening?
Sometimes, but I try not to. If I drink coffee after 6 p.m., I stay awake.
I'm the same. Tea is fine, but coffee is too strong.
Do you drink tea every night?
Almost every night. A cup of herbal tea before bed.
That sounds healthy.
It helps me calm down. Do you have any bedtime routine?
Not really. I just brush my teeth and go to bed.
Maybe you need something to relax before sleeping.
Like reading a book?
Yes, or listening to soft music.
I like music, but I usually listen in the morning.
What music do you like?
Mostly rock and pop. What about you?
I like jazz. It's calm.
Jazz before bed sounds nice.
Yes, it helps me fall asleep faster.
Maybe I should try that.
You should. It might help with your sleep.
What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 11 p.m. And you?
Usually midnight, sometimes later.
That's late. No wonder you feel tired in the morning.
True. I need to change my habits.
What time do you wake up?
At 7 a.m., I set an alarm.
So you only get 7 hours of sleep or less.
Yes, and sometimes I wake up at night.
Do you use your phone in bed?
Yes, I check messages before sleeping.
That's not good. The light keeps your brain awake.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yes, it's better to turn off the phone earlier.
Okay, I'll try that tonight.
Maybe tomorrow you won't be so tired.
I hope so.
What do you usually do in the morning when you wake up?
First, I drink water, then I make coffee.
Always coffee?
Yes, I need it to start the day.
I usually drink tea in the morning.
Do you eat breakfast too?
Yes, I always eat breakfast. Usually bread with cheese.
That's simple. Do you ever eat eggs?
Sometimes, maybe on weekends.
I like eggs in the morning. Fried eggs with toast.
Sounds good. Do you cook every morning?
Not every day. Sometimes I just eat fruit or cereal.
Cereal is quick and easy.
Yes, that's why I like it.
Do you eat breakfast alone or with someone?
Usually alone. My roommate eats later.
I often eat with my brother. It's nice to start the day together.
That sounds good. Talking in the morning helps to wake up.
Yes, it gives me energy.
What time do you usually have breakfast?
Around 8 a.m.
I eat earlier, maybe 7:30.
What about lunch? Do you eat at home or outside?
Usually at work, in the cafeteria.
Is the food good there?
It's okay, not great, but fine.
Do they serve soup?
Yes, every day, sometimes chicken soup, sometimes vegetable.
I like soup for lunch. It's light.
What else do you like for lunch?
Often I have salad with chicken. It's easy to make.
Do you bring it from home?
Yes, I prepare it in the morning.
That's smart. It saves money.
Exactly, and I know it's fresh.
I should start bringing lunch too.
You should try it. It's healthier.
Maybe I will.
So, tonight, are you going to sleep earlier?
Yes, that's my plan.
And no phone in bed?
Right, I'll put it away.
And maybe some jazz music?
Yes, I'll give it a try.
Let's see tomorrow if it works.
Wow, this was a great conversation.
Yes, it was. If you want to practice more real life English, subscribe to the channel. And let us know what other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos.